Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review Fisher-Price Walker Zebra Walker. So my baby just started walking recently, and I can say that this zebra was really helpful for her to start walking, practicing at around 9 months. So you can see here spinning with animals inside. She likes doing this, and this is also another activity, up and down. This window with two different animals. This is the most favorite one among these four. So zebra is always smiling. She can put her hands here, and usually her legs would be between this. I was wondering if she will fit there, like will it be comfortable for her, and it was good. Next thing, we can turn on the music and it starts talking itself. So this button and this button has different music songs, and it would also try to interact with your baby. This ABC song and number songs. So if you go back, there's ABC song. There are two levels of volume, so if you want it to be more loudly, you can switch to more loudly or make it less. So the product quality is good as for all other Fisher-Price products. And I think that if your baby is around 7-8 months and he or she is trying to stand by herself, by himself, you can definitely get this product. It will help your baby to move independently. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and write in the comments what other products you would like to hear from me. Thank you for your time. See you next video. Bye.